How to fix Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Gen 3. Not connecting to Xbox, wireless and dongle guide. Fix 1. Confirm you have the correct model. Step 1. Verify that your headset is the Xbox compatible version. Turtle Beach offers different models. TBS 2101, compatible with Xbox Series X, Xbox One, PC, CS5, and mobile devices. TBS 5102, designed for PC, PS5, PS4 and mobile, not compatible with Xbox. Step 2. Check the label on your USB dongle. It should read Xbox if it's the correct version. Fix 2. Properly connect the transmitter. Step 1. Plug the Xbox labeled USB transmitter into a rear USB port on your Xbox console. Step 2. Avoid using front USB ports or USB hubs, as they may not provide a stable connection. Fix 3. Pair the headset and transmitter. Step 1. With the headset powered off, press and hold the power button for 5-8 seconds until the LED flashes rapidly. Step 2. Ensure the transmitter is plugged into the Xbox and flashing. Step 3. The headset and transmitter should pair automatically. Fix 4. Perform a hard reset. Step 1. Power on the headset. Step 2. Press and hold the crossplay and mode buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds. Step 3. Release both buttons. The headset will reset. Fix 5. Update firmware via Swarm 2 app. Step 1. Download the Swarm 2 app on your PC or mobile device. Step 2. Connect the headset via Bluetooth to your device. Step 3. Use the app to check for and install firmware updates. Fix 6. Check Xbox audio settings. Step 1. Navigate to Settings, Devices, and Step 2. Select your headset and ensure it's set as the default audio device. Step 3. Adjust chat and game audio balance as needed. Fix 7. Test different USB ports. Step 1. Unplug the transmitter from its current USB port. Step 2. Plug the transmitter into a different USB port on the Xbox, preferably on the back of the console. Step 3. Avoid using USB hubs or extension cables.